Hello, boss and Davis.
I am Bugar.
Today, I'm very happy. We welcome a good friend from Azerbaijan to visit our factory, to visit our latest processing center. Yes.
Yes, thank you, boss. Çin'e gelmişəm. Oyun makina şirkəti çox möhtəşəm bir şirkətdir. Gördüğünüz bu CNC makinası bizim ehtiyaclarımızı ödeyə biləcək çox super bir.
Many customers and friends have asked me whether we can process a sintered stone basin hole, and a grinding edge shape. Please look at the big screen. This one is the ceramic, the porcelain. Yes.
I know. Cutting and polish.
Yes, cutting and polish together. The total duration, we spent about 2 hours polishing it. A polished stone basin hole, and the shape of the outside. Let's get the camera closer to take a look. Let's take a look. The polishing, the brightness and effect of polishing is still very beautiful. Yes, the polishing of the outer shape. Machining center, its biggest function is to process an irregular edge polishing effect. It is very suitable for various specifications and sizes. Not only can we process our sintered stones, but also quartz, stone and granite, marble and other materials, and even glass. If you are interested in the next issue, you can contact me. I'll shoot a video, a special effect for grinding glass. The machine tool behind me is 3 meters by 1.5 meters. This tool head can be speed adjusted from 1000 to 1100 RPM with variable frequency. So its speed can be adapted. The biggest highlight of this machining center is that automatic tool change of the processing tool. So during the process of changing tools, we no longer need to manually replace the tool head, which is very convenient. As you can see, our system is using an NC system. We are now using an NC system. The NC system, it supports CAD import, can realize the processing of any complex graphics, and it numerical control, motion control. We use an ITK motion control card from ITK. Our camera, bro, can come closer, okay? Okay, we use an EDKK bus and absolute servo, ensuring the accuracy and stability of the machine. Then our rail also adopts an oil-immersed air guide rail interface. Can ensure the long-term durability and reliability. Okay, thank you very much. A friend from Azerbaijan. Welcome to our factory. Welcome to our factory. Thank you very much. And welcome you if you are interested in it.
Welcome to visit our factory.
That's all for this episode of the video. Bye-bye.
Thank you for all. Bye-bye.
See you.